Ever wondered where all your Temu dollars went and what exactly you bought? Today, we're diving into how to easily view your purchase history on the Temu app so you can track orders, reorder favorites, and manage all your shopping sprees in one place. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. You should see the main home screen with all the amazing deals. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few icons. Tap on the one that says you. It's usually located on the far right of the bottom navigation bar. This takes you to your account page. Here, you'll find several options. Look for the section labeled Your Orders. It's usually near the top of the page, and tap on it. Great, this is your purchase history. You'll see a list of all your previous orders, with the most recent ones at the top. Tap on any order to view more details. You can see the items you purchased, the date of the order, the shipping address, and the total cost. From this screen, you can also track your package by tapping the track button. If the order is still in transit, this will give you real-time updates on its location. And if you loved something and want to buy it again, look for the reorder button to quickly add it to your cart. That's it. You've successfully accessed and navigated your Temu purchase history. Now you can keep track of all your amazing finds and manage your orders with ease. Happy shopping!